Going on, guys? We got the 1987 Ford Bronco in here. Got my buddy Manson right here.
How you doing?
This is what we're painting with, the Rust-Oleum turbo cans. All right, guys, we're about to tape this rig off, do some last sanding. It's got most of the sanding done, and then we're gonna start painting it up, and we'll get a couple videos of that. Stay with us. Alright guys, we got most of the tape job done. We just got to get the front windshield still on, the one on the left side. We did a little test run. It looks pretty good. We'll be right back to painting, but get some more footage of that. Guys, we're on layer number one. It's looking pretty good. I mean, like, this truck's not perfect by no means. It's just a beater Bronco. But, I mean, it looks a heck of a lot better than it did before. We'll get back to you when we get the last cut down the other side. I'll get a video of it outside in the sunlight. Be right back.